Hey, what's going on in the kitchen? Today guys, I'm in a seafood mood, so I'm gonna show you how I make one of my favorite salads, where the main ingredient is the octopus. Let's check it out. The water is boiling now. We're gonna do this operation to make the tentacles curl. So the lid and wait 14 minutes. The octopus is ready now, so let it cool down inside the water and in the end will be more soft. The octopus was quite big for 2 people, so I decided to prepare another dish that you'll find on Saturday. Don't forget to check it out. Now we finish the salad with a touch of soy sauce and toasted bread. Hey, wait a sec. Show your support, subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell for more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on Saturday.